Hello everybody, today in front of me I have POCO M5s, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can set up and enable the VPN on this device. So the first step that you need to take is to connect your phone to the Wi-Fi, then launch the Google Play Store. At the search bar type in Turbo VPN. That is exactly the app that we're looking for, so click on the green install button. Basically, it's a very convenient and effective free tool that provides you with an opportunity to establish a VPN/proxy connection. So once the app has been successfully scanned, you can launch it, agree and continue. And in here, all that it's basically left to do is to first of all wait until the app gets loaded. And in order for you to finally turn on the VPN connection, just tap on this little circle caret icon. Okay. And as you can see from the status bar icons or statuses, the VPN connection has been successfully enabled. You can from here choose the servers, choose different countries, and etc. So just like so, you have successfully activated the VPN. In order to turn it off, in order to exit the Turbo VPN app, just tap on this little cross sign or cross icon in the circle, confirm that you would like to disconnect, and that will be it. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.